will holding a share of American Battery Metals Corp, abbreviated as ABML, make you a millionaire? If you want to know the answer, make sure to watch this video until the end. And hello, future billionaires! Welcome to Pennystock Lifestyle, the channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the future billionaire. American Battery Metals Corp., started on October 6, 2011, is a startup on exploration mining company. It has its headquarters in the Incline Village, Nevada. This company engages in the exploration, mining, extraction, and recycling of battery metals, predominantly manufactures lithium-ion battery, including other battery-grade metals, which it supplies to the EV market. This company has more than 1,300 lithium mining claims on an area of 30,000 acres in Nevada. Moreover, its technical analysis points towards the worth in holding this penny stock in 2020. American Battery Metals, with the ticker symbol ABML, is currently at $1.92 per share, with a market capitalization of over $700 million. The reason why this penny stock has been catching everybody's eyes is because on February 2nd, this stock went up crazy to $4 per share. It was an exponential rise to its all-time high. From that level, the stock is down by almost 69% in a matter of a month and a half. ABML is in very early stages and has not generated any profits yet. This stock has been trading on the OTC markets. Apart from XRP or Dogecoin or even VeChain, ABML has been lucky in 2021. This year, the stock reached its new all-time highs at $4. For the last year in December, the stock was trading at $0.21. From that, it jumped to $4, which was insane. However, the stock has been downtrending ever since reaching its all-time high. The chart says that the stock has much volatility, meaning it has tried to flip its consolidation into an uptrend. However, it looks like the force is not strong enough. That's why it's not being able to break out of its support levels. Instead, it is marking into higher lows. It is common for every stock, whenever they reach an all-time high with exponential growth, the stock gets pulled back exponentially. So it was expected that ABML would pull back after its huge success. Now, we have to determine when it's going to pull back up again and retest the resistance levels. The charts show that ABML stock is too volatile. However, that is for a short-term period. For a long run, this volatility shouldn't matter. How do we measure volatility? It is measured through the standard deviation of daily returns. For ABML, its volatility stands at 11.56% daily, which is quite massive, as the volatility at normal levels stands at 1.5%. ABML's volatility is 10 times more than the standard one, making it more volatile. Moreover, ABML trades on the OTC markets, which is known as highly manipulated markets. The OTC stocks tend to be highly micro-cap stocks. This is something that the investors should not forget when entering into ABML. The company is in the process to begin its build in the third quarter of 2021. Its pilot facility, other known as pilot plant, is a pre-commercial production system, a small one, which is operated to find out about the behavior of a process before using the same on a large industrial scale. It employs a new production technology and produces small volumes of new technology-based products, primarily for the purpose of learning about the latest technology. This introduction of the pilot facility is expected to generate an income or revenue of $160 million per year, according to ABML's management, representing 20,000 metric tons of the battery-related material, lithium hydroxide. This will be the core material to be recycled and processed. This was estimated in the year 2020. According to its estimation, the company will be generating a revenue of $8,000 per metric ton price. However, since this was an older estimation, as of today the price is definitely changed. It's no longer $8,000, it is near about $10,000. This will make the total project's revenue appreciate to an immediate amount of $200 million per year. Now that is only the first facility ABML is working on, which is not the end. ABML has been planning on many other things. ABML has a goal to process over the years 200,000 metric tons of battery material of lithium per year, which is insane. Given its current growth and vision, ABML has just a few more years to reach its ultimate goal, one of its long-term plans. ABML has published its quarterly report till the year 2024, so it's already analyzed what it has to do in the next 5 years. For its short-term and medium-term plans, ABML has planned for pilot plant, but up to 2024, the company will further add to it. But a commercial plant 1 in the second quarter of 2022 and also a commercial plant 2 in the fourth quarter of 2022. That is where they are planning to start the production of battery-grade metals. By the year 2026, after the completion of its second plant, we are likely to see that ABML will have fully functioning plant facility. ABML has mentioned earlier that it has not been generating any revenue till now. However, the company has made it inevitable that by the second quarter of 2022, the company will start generating revenue. As for its short-term goals, by the fourth quarter of 2021, the company will install plant equipment, and by the beginning of the first quarter in 2022, it will start with the commission of the plant. Furthermore, the black mass production will also kickstart. Around 2026, it is expected that the total project will generate over 60,000 metric tons. With a report by the Global X Lithium and Battery Tech, the expected price of lithium hydroxide in 2025 will be $16,500 per ton. Given that value, ABML for 2026 is expected to generate a revenue of $990 million, almost $1 billion. Looking at the technical charts, we do find that ABML stocks are falling. Recently, there were various false reports on ABML, and ABML has categorically denied all the claims and allegations. For the same, they have hired Ashcroft firm to investigate the matter, utilizing all available legal remedies in order to protect their shareholders. It could have been one of the reasons why ABML stock has been falling. ABML has responded to the Department of Energy's request for information on risks in the high-capacity batteries, including electrical vehicle battery supply chain. This is significant positive news for the company, as the global demand for battery metals is expected to grow over tenfold by 2030, with a total market value of approximately $100 billion per year. Once the plant is built, ABML is going to get returns in huge amounts, and some massive collaboration is waiting for this company. It is possible that even Tesla might collaborate. On April 12th, ABML entered into a stock purchase agreement with an institutional investor for up to $75 million worth of shares. A massive amount of shares were purchased by institutional investors, including that ABML has good backing institutional investors. It is not something that a renewable energy sector, ABML stock has been selling off, as all other companies in this sector are selling off. Even Tesla is down on an overall 2 months price. Even NIO's price is down. There is nothing specific to blame ABML for its price downfall. It is the market that is acting up. However, ABML is a solid penny stock. It has its 5-year plan ready, and its expected revenue is much higher. They are staying on the ground and expecting some realistic price targets which are practical and achievable given their 5-year plans. Holding an ABML stock in the long run will be profitable. The current price down is an excellent buy the dip opportunity for all long-term investors, as it is certain after the completion of the plant, the company will have more supply for more customers. Eventually, more investors and other massive companies will invest into ABML. In conclusion, ABML has a lot of scope in becoming a $1 billion worth company, and holding its share might as well make you a millionaire. If you'd like to stay up to date with the best and latest content about stocks and entrepreneurship, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like on this video. Did you find this video valuable, or do you want to add anything? Make sure to let us know in the comment section down below. We are posting a new video every day with the most undervalued penny stocks in the market right now.